What is up, y'all? It's your favorite producer Ron. Got the recipe, and today we're gonna be cooking up some hip hop, some neo soul, some boom bap, old school vibes with a little bit of newness in it with Lander Sampler. All right, if you haven't tried Lander Sampler, this is the video for you. I'm gonna break down how easy it is to get it rolling, get it going, and get that vibe. All right, let's get into it. And as always, if you like content like this, hit me with a like, leave a comment, and if you really like it, subscribe to the channel. And if you want to save some cash on Lander and get a plethora of plugins, effects, and distribution, all for a low price, hit the link in the description below. Let's get it. All right, y'all, we got a brand new beat here. We're going to delete it and then rebuild it, and I'm going to show you how easy it is to cook up with the push of a button. Let's get it. All right, so we got a lot going on here. We're gonna go ahead and delete everything, and let's talk about how we do the process. So first things first, you wanna hit the samples button. This will take you to where you can find all the dope sample packs, all right? You can do this in Lander Samples, or you can do it through the browser. I do it through the browser, that way I can make an individual folder and load all my samples up. So I've gone through a bunch of these and I've downloaded the ones that I like the best. They're over here in my downloads. If I look at my downloads, you can see all the samples that I've downloaded. So all the samples that I got here are pretty much neo soul, guitar stuff. If you click on the picture, you can actually see where the pack comes from. This is probably one of the dopest packs you can get. Emotion Vibes has over 2,000 samples and 10 packs, and they are all really, really good. Come on, you want neo soul? Here we go. All right, so once I download all my samples, I get them into a new folder. This one's called 2025 New Samples. And once you pull up Lander Sampler, you can go ahead and load that particular folder in. So you've got the advanced filters option here. And if I want piano, I can look at piano. I see that I have 22 results. Load those samples up. So once those samples load up, you can hit the X button. And now all of our pianos are here. Right, and if you like a certain part, you can take that part into the chromatic mode. So here's the piano I actually chose. Hit export, and once I've got it in chromatic mode, hit drag, drop it right onto my piano track. Boom. All right, next I'm gonna do is find my drums. All I gotta do is type in drums. It's gonna pull up 107 results, and it's gonna do a little magic. Boom. There we go. Hit the export button, drag, drop it right onto my drum rack. Boom. So now we got our drums and we got our piano sample going. Now for bass line, I'm gonna go ahead and use the Rickenbacker bass from Native Instruments. All right, let's record it. Just something quick. right, so now I'm going to go ahead and get into some automation. So on my piano, I've got an auto filter here, and all I'm going to do is create some points. So now we've got point there. On my drums, I'm going to create another automation filter here, auto filter, and then frequency. And now we got the same setup. So it will sound like this now. Same thing with the bass line. Drop that filter on the bass line. Oh, it's already on there. Boom. And we can hit frequency, hit the first point, hit the second point, and now we've got we're gonna put a break right there. Next thing on my list is to add in a vocal effect. I'm gonna go ahead and hit the export button and drag my sample onto the vocal track here. And here's how it sounds. Boom. And we're gonna do the same thing. We're gonna go ahead and automate that as well. So hit A, make sure you got a filter on there. I do. I'm gonna go ahead and hit auto filter and frequency. And let's go ahead and dial that bad boy in. Boom, let's make some points. A little more volume here. All right, so now we've got some build-up going on. We sounded good so far. Let's add some guitar in. All right, we got a guitar, advanced filters. You know what to do. Keep going. So there's a guitar I'm gonna go with. Let's get it. All right, so instead of actually dragging and dropping this, because I can't, I'm going to just duplicate this file and bounce it in place. That way I have the WAV file exactly where I need it at. I can delete this, and here's my guitar. Sounds pretty good. I'm gonna drag it to the guitar track. I've got some guitar rig on there. And the cool thing with automation is that we can just copy it over. So I can just copy this right here. And now we've got automation at this part. All right, let's hear from the top real quickly. Let's get out of here. All right, so as y'all can see, it's really easy to create a fire beat with Lander Sampler and Lander Samples. Remember, grab all your dope samples from Lander Samples, drag all those samples in the folder, upload them into Lander Sampler, and go ham. Go crazy with it. All right, it's really easy to do. It doesn't take much time. It sounds great. You can easily drag and drop it from the sampler right into your DAW and get cooking. All right, y'all, so that's our time. I hope you enjoyed this video. Hope you learned something. If you want to grab Lander, save some bread, get access to a plethora of samples, effects, plugins, and distribution, hit the link in the description below. I'll see you on the next one. Peace. Hey, what's up, y'all? Thanks for watching this video. I really appreciate it. If you like what you saw, don't forget to leave a comment, a like, share this video with a friend, and if you want to see more videos like this, subscribe to the channel. Peace.